Okay, so Euro USD, what do we have? We can see that the market is in an uptrend right now because we expanded higher. We can also see that the market broke this pivot point and this pivot point. So technically right now we have, this is the last low before they break this pivot point. So the perfect sell was right here. We can see when we use the Fibonacci expansion, that's where it advises us to sell. Now, the market is breaking through the 100 level very aggressively. So it means that their intention of going lower. So now all we have to do is understand that, okay? So if the intention is to go lower, we have to find the area they are most likely to stop because it's a range, right? So no, that's not the way. For example, we have to use this right here, right here. So the target would be these lows right here, right? Because they already break the 100 level aggressively. So here. So now we want to see for a pullback, right? A pullback so we can trade in the continuation of that new trend. Now we are on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go on the 1-hour time frame. We'll see the weeks better. So we have one here. So we can just use dynamic Fibonacci first. So we had a first breakout. Then the market pulls back here, fails to come to the 50%. So we expand, but we can say it did come, but we expand here. We can see we had a nice rejection here on the 50%. So then this becomes our new high. Then we expand this lower here. And then now price is, wait, back up. Okay. So price is below the 100 level, below the 0 level right now. And we have pivot points, right? That broken. So these pivot points right here are important points. So because the market broke these levels aggressively here, all we have to do is take our fib level from this low and to the last high before they broke that low, which is around here. Now, we can see that the market is going through the 138 level. So maybe they are not interested in this pivot point right here. They're probably interested in this pivot point. So we only have to take this and go here. Why? Because once they break this pivot point, then automatically, because this is part of the last highs, the market is going to look to retrace back and then give us an entry point. So now we are looking for, this is a strong pivot point. This is also a strong pivot point, but this pivot point will be connected to this high right here. So that means retracements for Euro USD, precise retracement will be here based on this expansion. And then we have another interesting zone right here, which is higher than the 50%. So obviously we can see the market has the intention of going lower. And now that is clear, we just have to wait because they just grab liquidity. So we have to wait to see if they can turn around and give us something. So right now it's kind of tricky to see which level are gonna get respected, because if they aim for this level, let's say, right, because that would be the last high before they break this pivot point, is definitely not this pivot point because they already went through it. So then we expand right here. So we can either see another drop here and then a potential retracement. So that's like a 38 pip drop for a potential retracement here. And then that is where we're going to expect them to return towards this high by drawing our fib level from this high to this low right here. So we can expect them to find their discount level right here, and then the price could continue going lower towards this area here, right? So that would be the idea for Euro USD. Okay, So this is what we are looking at right now. So maybe another 38 pip drop, grab all this liquidity, then pull back towards this area of interest, and then continue lower. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah.